Ugly people. Hey man, I didn't see you at the August Rose Red concert.
I didn't see you either.
Oh.
You just come like right here. Probably better than throwing it away.
What's up, fam? What up, what up, what up?
What's up?
I had to hear
Am I on
this,
YouTube
man.
all of a sudden?
Hey man, I see you. You're over there living life in Disney and stuff.
Oh, that was fun.
Lifting this thing and we're lowering this thing.
Hey, that's the unicorn here. That's the
Alright, I guess let me put my gloves on and get cracking here. What's up, yo? Welcome back, welcome back. This is the install party. We're gonna do some stuff, you know. You got caught slipping, boy.
No.
Yes, boy. Who's here? What are you doing, deviled eggs?
Yeah.
Every time.
Doing deviled eggs?
And snickerdoodles.
Yeah.
Snickered? Oh, snickerdoodles.
The crispier ones are on that side, the softer ones are on that side.
Mm.
That mean I'm allowed to put down my...
Yo, I gotta show y'all this house, because this house is like fire.
I would be offended.
Oh, how is it?
I haven't watched it yet. I
Ah.
haven't watched it yet.
I'm not a ticket when I do a show and get a ticket. Good business can clean millions. I got the vision.
Yeah, I already got those. Cool.
Even back when I was
Very well.
How you doing?
What's up, man? I'm doing good, actually. This is going better than I thought it would. My skills are improving.
Yay. Did you already do the front?
This one's done. I gotta do the other side.
Alright, cool. Let me go.
He's got a personalized tutor right now.
And I always tell my mother gave the
Yeah.
greatest advice. Look at me now.
Sir.
Put your hammer down.
Especially not right now. Certain shit is just too wild around, nigga. What is that? Y'all don't hear no songs. They hit my phone like you did that. Even
That's right, Dalen, go to work.
Fishing it out is what's
We got the red wheels, we got the sway bars. How are you guys doing?
Coming along.
Yeah? You lifting this thing yet?
Getting there.
Did you have to take the whole thing out? The whole strut out?
Yeah, you still have to do like
You
you
still have to.
coil
See,
over.
I told
But you
you.
don't have to take the springs out. You just
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, man. Shout out Maryland MQB.
Let's go, let's go. Ooh, the X-ray boy! Who's Scorpion? Yes, sir.
He just didn't know about the X-ray. I kind of cheap shot it. You can do L2 and R2. So these two, when you get that, when it says you're like fatal blow, and it will catch somebody.
What's happening back here, yo-yos? I know what's happening back here. What's up, cuz? Your car?
No.
We're halfway done.
Taylor, you finished your T1?
No. It's almost done. We're on the last part.
Alright, cool.
We just got to put the strut assembly and everything back in. And we're good.
Okay, Jetta R-line.
Alright. They're comfortable, they look good. They're on spacers. The only thing is the clearance between the weights, the front weights and the rotors on the sports package.
Not bad.
We're out here getting wet and wild.
No, I'm getting wet and wild.
We can do this!
So it goes in one of the craftsman cases.
Yeah.
Let me see the back of it.
Let's go, let's go. We're out here, we're still here. We need to go home, we gotta eat.
Speaking of that, I'm about to go home and watch Tales of the Crypt.
Yes, dun. What does it go? Dun, 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 dun.
That looks fire.
Dun,
The
dun,
black
dun.
beans and rice alone look fire.
Boy. We're about to eat, boys. Let's go.
Hey, it worked out. Nobody can sit here.
MQB anniversary.
Hey, listen, we can do this every week.
Oh, yes, we can.
Yes, we can.
Right back. No, you're good.
Go ahead, Mike. Eat that pumpkin
That's not
fly.
how it's supposed to work.
He took another bite.
If you
Look,
go
look,
to
look,
another
look, look.
country,
You respect.
yeah, you try to live like you're in that country.
Yeah,
Like,
boy.
I'll bring America with me. And
You
that's
guys
how
are
I'm
full?
gonna live. No.
It doesn't work.
He's been on
We see
like,
you and know about it.
he's been asleep for like the past 2 hours. Look at him.
And that's the thing. You got a point. This is where the exception.